Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to my presentation today. The first I will introduce myself first. My name is Mutia Azizah and my NPM is A1B034-112 and I'm a student of the English Education Department at the University of Bengkulu. So today, as a part of my final examinations for reading for professional purposes, I am going to comprehensively dissect three highly crucial text genres in professional reading. The first is explanation text, and the second is hortatory exposition, and the third is discussion text. Let's dive into the first genre. The first genre is about explanation text. First, let's look at the explanation text. As you can see on the linguistic framework on my screen, the primary social function of this text is to explain how or why a natural or socio-cultural phenomenon happens. The genre structure always starts with a general statement to introduce the phenomenon, followed by a sequenced explanation, which is a series of logical steps detailing the process. In professional reading, this genre heavily relies on the simple present tense for timeless truth and passive voice to keep the focus on the process rather than the actor. Now, let's dissect the real text. Sample title is the mechanism of exit range to see how these features work. In paragraph 1, highlight in blue is the general statement. It introduces the definition of exit range using simple present verb like is and includes. In paragraph 2, which is the sequenced explanation, step 1, the text explains the emissions of gases. Notice the green highlights. The process begins when and once released. These are temporal linkers. The text also uses passive voice like are emitted and are carried because the focus is on the gases and on the pictures. In paragraph 3, chemical transformation happens. The text uses the causal conjunction like consequently to show the logical effect of the resurrection before it falls to the earth. In next is genre 2. It's about hortatory exposition. Moving on to our second genre, we have the hortatory exposition text. Unlike the objective explanation text, a hortatory text is highly argumentative and persuasive. Its social function is to persuade the reader that something should or should not be the case or be done. The structure consists of the thesis to state the reader's stance, arguments to present logical reasoning, and a recommendation at the end which purposes a concrete action to resolve the issues. Let's look at the text dissection on the screen. Paragraph 1 is the thesis. The reader explicitly states their stance at the end of the paragraph. For example, is therefore, governments must strictly regulate digital payment infrastructure. The word must shows a strong high modality. Paragraph 2 and 3 deliver the argument using sequence connector like firstly, furthermore, and secondly, to outline the risk of cyber attack and the marginalization of unbacking citizen. Finally, in paragraph 4 is the recommendation. This is the core feature of hortatory. The author uses high modality verbs like must, implement, should, mandate, and ought to invest to tell the government and banks exactly what action they need to take. Next is genre 3, about discussion text. Our final genre is the discussion text. While a hortatory text passes for one specific side, a discussion text must remain completely neutral and balanced. Its purpose is to present at least two opposing viewpoints, the pros and the contrast, about a controversial issues before reaching a balanced conclusion. Let's dissect our final text regarding AI in higher education. Paragraph 1 introduces the issue. Notice the contorsive structure highlighted in the green. For example, while some hail AI, other views it is a threat. This allows the author to present the debate objectively. Paragraph 2 is present the argument for pro. The text uses the thinking or reporting phrase like proponents EduDet to outline how AI can act as personal tutors. And the paragraph 3 presents the argument against contra, the text flawlessly translation to the opposing side using the high level contrastive connector like conversely, and attributes the negative views to critic. In paragraph 4 is the conclusion or recommendations. Instead of choosing a side, the author calls AI a double-edged sword and proposes a balanced middle ground, which is a hybrid approach. And here is conclusion. The conclusion mastering these three genres is absolutely vital for reading professional and academic journals. It allows us to process scientific phenomena, evaluate persuasive arguments, and remain objective when facing controversial topics. I hope this presentation is beneficial and give a clear insight into professional reading text genres. Thank you so much for your attention and have a wonderful day. I end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.